Welcome back to Financial Education Club, Module 8, Step 8. In this step right here, we're going to secure a website and also user names on social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Whatever your business name is, you want to secure those user names. Like mine's Financial Education Club, so I want to secure Financial Education Club as a username with Facebook, Twitter, list goes on and on with all social media platforms. Now, you also want to be able to get a website, so a good place to get one would be GoDaddy. You can get you a URL there. If you don't know how to build a website, a simple WordPress website would be fine. And go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. You can find somebody to put one together for you, $5 to $10. Just a basic one, because vendors and creditors, they're going to be looking to see if you have a presence online. Also seeing if they can pull you up by Google, by search engines. This right here helps you look more credible and compliance with building business credit. They're going to look at this, so this is a crucial step. Do not overlook this. Do not overlook any steps in this course.